Do this after each use of the oven, and you'll never have to spend hours scrubbing it again. How to keep your oven always clean? Or maybe you're wondering how to clean it without scrubbing. Once you know this trick, it will only take a moment from now on. When you cook dinner or supper in the oven, grease, sauce, or cheese can make a mess. After dinner, all that remains are the burnt-on bits. But there's a way to handle it. If you do this right after using the oven, getting it clean will only take a moment. And there's no need for scrubbing. When your oven is empty and turned off, get a bowl. Pour in just under 100 milliliters of vinegar. Boil a liter of water in a kettle. Pour the boiling water into the bowl with the vinegar. Place the bowl in the oven and close it. Leave the bowl inside for 20 minutes. After this time, open the oven. Look at how steamed up it is. It will be easy to clean now. Wipe the glass with a clean cloth. See how dirty it was. Now, wipe the inside of the oven. Soak the cloth in the vinegar water. You can continue cleaning the oven now. For tougher stains, use a sponge. After everything, wipe the oven with a paper towel. Don't forget to clean the heating elements at the top of the oven. Dirt collects on them too, and now they're easy to clean due to the moisture. Just remember that the oven must be off during this process. Line your oven with this trick. The results will surprise you. First, grab a dishwasher tablet. It's packed with active ingredients that tackle grease and stains effectively. If your oven is heavily burnt, with dried food residues and greasy glass, this hack will be a game changer. No scrubbing is needed to make it shine like new. Start by unwrapping one dishwasher tablet. Place it in a bowl and add 200 milliliters of warm water. Stir and let it dissolve. Using a sponge, generously soak it in the solution and apply it to the dirty walls of the oven. Squeeze the mixture onto the interior surfaces. Dishwasher tablets contain concentrated detergents specifically designed to dissolve and remove grease. Next, take a kitchen towel and tear it into pieces to stick onto the oven's walls. Leave it for 30 minutes. During this time, the active ingredients will break down the dirt without any effort on your part. Afterward, remove the paper, wiping away the loosened grime. Your oven will sparkle with no streaks on the glass. Cleaning a burnt oven will never be a tiresome chore again. Place the stones on a baking tray and put them in the oven. This trick will change the rest of your life. Heated stones could become the most important thing you'll discover this year. So next time you're on a walk, at your cottage, or in a field with a farmer friend, gather a basket of stones, from small to medium-sized ones. You'll find them everywhere on any field. They are literally everywhere and very valuable. Take them home and rinse them off. No need to scrub them, but you can get rid of most of the dirt. Then take a baking tray and lay a dark towel, cloth, or gauze diaper on it. Place the gathered stones on the tray. Arrange them however you like. We gathered stones from the field. I don't collect stones from rivers or lakes for this trick. Put the tray in the oven and heat the stones. They should be warm, not hot. Lay a towel on the floor or carpet and place the tray of stones on it. This becomes a portable mat. Take off your socks and step onto the stones. Walk on them for a few minutes to start. Then gradually increase the time to several minutes each day. Walking on warm stones helps cleanse your body and stimulates the receptors of all your vital organs. With time, stepping on stones will get easier, and your body will become healthier. Your body will be triggered to self-heal. This is one of the few methods that are simple yet effective for the whole body. People with joint pain will start walking again. They will feel a surge of energy and regain their health. A simple coin solved the oven problem. From now on, cleaning the oven is a piece of cake. Finally, all the burnt residues have disappeared. I used a natural mixture. I also used the coin trick. To prepare the special mixture, use 1 small cup of baking soda. Pour in half a cup of water. Add another cup of spirit vinegar. Do it gradually because foam will surely form. It's a reaction from the combination of soda and vinegar. This mixture works wonders in the oven. Take a dish sponge. Apply the mixture to the burnt areas. Cover all the burnt residue that has baked onto the bottom of the oven. Do it thoroughly. put the rest of the mixture in the oven. The dish must be heat resistant. Close the oven. Set it to 100 degrees. Turn it on for about 40 minutes. After this time, remove the bowl. Start cleaning the grate. Just a regular spong is enough for this. You don't have to scrub anything. The burnt residue comes off on its own. Flip the grate over. After a short while, it's as good as new. Also, wipe the glass on the oven door. The dirt and residue are gone. Now start removing the mixture from the bottom of the oven. Use the sponge to remove the soda and burnt residue. The burnt residue comes off as if by magic. Just gather all the dirt. It's almost unbelievable. After a while, there won't be a trace of dirt or burnt residue. If there are any individual burnt spots left, you don't have to make the soda, water, and vinegar mixture again. Just use the coin trick. It's very simple and effective. Rub the burnt spots with the coin. They'll come off for sure. Any place that the soda didn't neutralize for some reason, you can remove with the coin. As a result, the oven is finally truly clean and shiny. The burnt residues are gone. It's hard to believe it's the same oven. The whole secret is the mixture of soda with water and vinegar and the coin. Did you know those numbers inside your oven actually have a hidden meaning? Most people see them or don't even notice them, but hardly anyone really knows what they stand for. On both sides of the oven, next to the tray rails, there are numbers. And that's not a coincidence. Level 1 is perfect for pizza and baguettes. The heat is stronger from the bottom there, so the base turns crispy and everything bakes quickly. Level 2 works great for meat and fish. At this height, food stays tender inside without burning on the outside. Level 3 is the best choice for cakes. The temperature is most stable there, so the batter rises evenly. Level 4 is ideal for roasted vegetables. It helps you get a lightly browned, crispy top. Level 5 is great for dishes that you want extra golden and ready in just a moment. Just place them there briefly for a restaurant-style finish. These numbers are basically a guide to where you should place your tray so your food bakes evenly and turns out perfect every time. A simple tip that makes baking so much easier. Now you know what the numbers in your oven mean. Line your oven with plastic bags and get rid of burnt-on grime without scrubbing or effort. This simple method really works and doesn't require strength or any special tools. Just spray the inside of your oven with oven cleaner. Cover every surface thoroughly. Then take a few plastic bags and press them onto the sprayed surfaces, the bottom, sides, top, and door. The layer of plastic helps lock in moisture and acts as a barrier that boosts the cleaner's effectiveness. That's key because it prevents the product from drying too quickly, giving it time to dissolve the grease and burnt residue. Leave it for a few hours, or overnight for tougher messes. When you peel off the plastic, wipe everything down with a cloth. The dirt comes off easily, no scraping or scrubbing needed. Just dry it with a clean towel, and you're done. It shines like new, and the whole process takes just a few minutes. No stress, no effort. You'll never go back to the old way.